believe that client services isn't just a feature of our business, it's the core of who we are. We've built our success on building relationships, going out, meeting our clients, building stories again with them, getting to know everybody within our client service building, from the receptionist to the upper management. We believe it's important to have all forms of relationships. We want to know what that client does. We want to know how they operate. We want to know what's important to them. I believe our success has been because we really care about how their business runs, and I also believe, in doing that, we help them resolve a better and cleaner environment to maintain their building. So what a relationship looks like with a couple of our clients, or even one of our clients, we build long-term relationships. I believe in building a business relationship just as I believe in building a personal relationship. It's about trust and value. What a relationship looks like with a client is me going in and getting to know that person, knowing them personally, knowing them on a business level, knowing their personality, understanding their needs, because what you want in your building is not what another person wants, or what your expectation in a building of cleaning is not what an expectation. So the most important thing to us, and I think that what we build our business on, is we teach and we train every one of our people in the office to have these types of relationships with the clients. The client relationship is the most important relationship in any business. I believe that 100% wholeheartedly.